Hi guys, welcome to Selvin kitchen today. Today we have an awesome recipe. So we're gonna make some stew peas. So I have 1.5 kg of beef here, otherwise 3 pounds of beef, fresh beef. So I don't use the salted beef today, I use the fresh beef. And we have half a cup of red peas. We have half a cup of plain flour. We have 2 tablespoons of cornmeal in it. So we're going to use 1 white onion, 2 carrot, 1 stalk of spring onion. So we have half of red bell pepper, half of yellow bell pepper. We have 1 stalk of fresh thyme. We have 1 teaspoon of salt. We have 2 teaspoons of all-purpose season, a pinch of pimento in it, and a pinch of black pepper in it. We have 1 scotch bonnet pepper. We're going to use the coconut milk. And we have 5 cloves of garlic where we're going to crush and put in the peas when the peas is boiling. So I ain't going to put in the beef and the peas at the same time. I'm going to make the peas half cooked first and then I put in the beef. So in Selvin kitchen today guys, stew peas. We're going to serve it with white rice. So what I'm going to do now, today I ain't going to grate the garlic, I ain't going to cut up the garlic. So I'm going to just crush the garlic. So let's crush it. So I'm gonna make the garlic and the peas cook at the same time. The peas and put in with the garlic at the same time and cook. So just gonna scrape out the garlic. So that is the first step. Now I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt. So after I add a teaspoon of salt, I'm just gonna add in my red peas. So half cup of red peas. So I'm gonna leave that to boil for around 20 minutes before I add the beef in it. So hi guys, the peas have been cooking for the last 25 minutes. So now I'm just gonna add in the white onion. And then I'm just gonna add in the beef in it. So now I'm gonna add in the garlic, the onion and the beef and the peas together. So let everything cook down together. So today in Selvin kitchen people, we're cooking stew peas. But a lot of people put in pork when they're cooking stew peas like pigtail or something like that. But I don't eat pork, so that's why I'm using beef today. You can use beef, you can use chicken, whatever you want to use. So today I'm using beef to cook stew peas in Selvin kitchen. Hi guys, so the beef, I put in the beef for the last half an hour, the peas for the last 45 minutes. So now I'm just going to check the peas now. If the peas cook, what you do now, you just take out a portion of peas like in a spoon. Skim off the water. When you see this peas hopping like that, the crack in the middle, it cooked. You just squeeze it like that, the peas is cooked. So now I'm just going to add in the bell pepper and the thyme. Just make everything cook down. I'm gonna add in the all-purpose season, pimento, black pepper. So now this called you season up your pot. And now I'm just gonna add in 1 tin of coconut milk. So 1 tin of coconut milk. Right there, 1 tin of coconut milk. So they're gonna get off the stir. So I don't ready to put in my carrot as yet. Just gonna make this cook down for the next 20 minutes. So I'm gonna give it 20 minutes more to cook down. Then I put in the carrot, then I put in the spring onion, then I put in the dumpling, the dough. I need the dough already. So I'm gonna put that in last. So So give this around 20 more minutes to cook. So alright guys, right now we're just gonna add in the carrot. So it's 2 carrot. I'm gonna add in the 1 stalk of spring onion. We're gonna add in the chili pepper, but I don't want this chili pepper to burst in it. I just want it to boil to give it the flavor, and then I take it out back. So I'm just gonna add in the chili pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and then just give it a stir. And now I'm just gonna make some spinach. So just gonna add some small spinach in it, not small dumpling. So today in Selvin kitchen guys, we're cooking stewed peas, but we ain't using no pork or no pigtail or nothing like that. Normally I use the salt beef and the salt oxtail, but through the coronavirus I was using the fresh beef. You can use chicken, you can use anything you want, it's optional. You can use anything to make stewed peas. If you want, it's up to you guys. A lot of people don't eat pork. Some people do, some people don't. So in Selvin kitchen today, we're gonna make stewed peas and we're gonna serve it with white rice. Hi guys, this is my stewed peas. Look at it, people. We're gonna give it another 5 minutes, coming down nicely. Sorry for that steam. So the stewed peas in Selvin kitchen today, we're gonna cook stewed peas, serve with white rice. So we have the rice over here. We have some broccoli. So in Selvin kitchen today guys, we're cooking stewed peas. Hi guys, this is all finished. This is the stewed peas. Look at that guys, stewed peas with beef. Oh my god. People, oh. I'm hungry already guys. This is stewed peas guys. In Selvin kitchen, we're always doing something new. Sorry guys, sorry for the steam. Steam up my lens. So in Selvin kitchen today guys, we're cooking stewed peas. Served with white rice guys and broccoli. In Selvin kitchen, we're always doing something new. And the people, stewed peas guys. Hi guys, this is all finished. This is the stewed peas cooked on with beef. So I serve my stewed peas today with white rice with some broccoli. So in Selvin kitchen, you know, we're always doing something new. So guys, please subscribe and please share and like the video. If you're watching my video guys and you don't subscribe, please join the family. Please hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up for this video. And guys, please hit that notification bell so when I post a video you guys will get it. Selvin kitchen, we're always doing something new. So I'll see you guys in the next video and wish everybody have a happy new year. Make your face properly, Marissa. My guys, look at my daughter. Marissa, she's cracking up. She want to come in the video today, so I put Marissa in the videos. Marissa, what you have to say to my YouTube fan?
Subscribe to Daddy's YouTube channel. Please comment down below.
Yes. Alright people, see you guys in the next video. Selvin kitchen.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you